Blue dude, blue moon, kinda mysterious, shaded with someone I'm not really into. Do you need to fix it? Talking bullshit. It's hard to see you when your eyes look dull. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not blue. Blue dude, bad mood, sorta witty and jaded, but let's not talk about you. Your coyote song on a rerun. Are you hound dog tired singing all night long? Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not blue. Not blue dude, blue moon, been one or two since I ran into you. Do you need a picture? Well, that gets old. It's hard to take one when your iPhone's full. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not blue. Not blue.
So woke up pretty early this morning, around 5. I am driving down to the Outer Banks to go beach camping. I am super stoked. We have Sherman here with me. It's gonna be his first beach trip this year, so I know he's excited. He recently got surgery about 3 weeks ago, had his hernia removed, so he's been cooped up. This is gonna be good for him to just run around the beach and get in the water. Man, he's gonna have a blast. So it's about 5.5 hours to drive down there, but I'm gonna be making a few stops along the way just to see a few of my friends. We're only going for 2 nights, which is okay, but this is such a good time of the year to go. It's early spring. It'll be fun, man. It will be fun. I'm hoping it's not gonna be crowded, so I'll bring you along. Cheers.
Resist, got me looking like this. is like no one before. 'Cause I must be strong. 'Cause this might go on for long. 'Cause I was wrong, and he's always there for you. I keep living alone.
Sherman's having fun. Look at him. Hey Sherman. Hey Sherman. Come here. So made it to the camp spot. It is so quiet over here. It's amazing. It's early spring, so nobody's here yet. Here is the setup. We are right behind the dunes, which is in front of us. You go over there and you get to the ocean. So it's a pretty neat spot. I come here almost every year, actually. And Sherman's having fun. It's gonna be a good week.